thanks to Hurricane Ian, or Eon, however you want to pronounce it, while everybody else was sleeping, getting nice rest, I'm up freaking collecting water. Since I'm on the second floor, I don't want the water to pile up too much and end up seeping downstairs into the neighbor's apartment. So I had to stay up all night. This is what Hurricane Ian left for me. Mother Nature is number one. Yeah. Hurricane Ian. Eon. Water everywhere. I can't even go to sleep because every, 20-30 minutes I have to empty out these damn buckets. Otherwise they start overflowing. Oh, this sucks.